subset of first n natural numbers. So with the help of recursion function, so our code starts from the main function here. We are passing the integer number n equal to 3. So n equal to 3 elements. So we have to find out the number of subsets of this element. So for storing the elements subsets in an array, we are defining the array here, array list. This is the syntax of defining the array list, which is the integer type, and the name is subset equal to new array list. So, and we are calling the find subset recursion function here. So this is our recursion function. So we are defining the recursion function here first. Public static void. Void means we are not returning anything from this recursion function. We are passing the value to this recursion function. So integer n means we are passing the n equal to 3 here, and array list integer subset, so which storing the subset of this n elements. So then after that we are adding the element to the subset by the help of subset.add function, and which is adding the n elements inside the subset first case, and then we will be calling the recursion function again, in which we are passing n minus 1 because n is already passing there, and subset is sending to the recursion function. So in this subset n is already added. Now second case is add subset to remove this n element from the subset, and this n element is stored at the end of the subset index. So the end of the subset index we have to find out is by the help of subset.size, which is n minus 1, so which is like the last position of the last index of this subset. So after using this function remove, which is removing the n element from the last index of the subset, then again we are passing the these arguments to the recursion function by calling the recursion function here, in which the n is not there. So n minus 1 we are passing again with subset. So by the help of this recursion function, we are finding the subset of the element n equal to 3. So the base case is if n equals to 0 means all the element chooses their choices, then it will print the subset and return. So print subset, we are calling another function here, so passing the subset which is coming from here to here. So subset is passing to this public static void print subset second function, in which we are passing the subset of all the first n natural numbers. So inside this function we are executing the loop. For loop starts from I equal to 0, I is less than subset dot size, and I incremented. So system dot out dot print, so system dot get. By the help of this for loop, it will be executing from initial value 0 index to the end of the index of this array list. So the end index is minus 1 less than. So this loop function completes n minus 1, and then it will print system.out.print subset.get I plus 1 gap. So this will be printing all the subset of the element 3. So by giving next line using the system.out.println, so which will be printing all the subset in a different line. So we will execute this code and we will see the output here. So the output is 3 to 1, so which is because it's the n is 3, so 3 to 1 is the first subset, then 1 is removed, 3 2, then 2 is removed, 3 1, then 3 is removed, 2 1, then 1 is removed again, 2, then 2 is again removed, 1, and at the end it is empty string. So this is the outcome of our code, which is executing by the help of recursion function.